Wipe the leg with hot towel. Have the customer lie on the stomach. Put the electrode pad under the legs to make it fully touches the skin. Apply RF gel evenly on leg and feet. Caress from leg to feet 3 times. Operate with XL probe. Move in small circular motions on underside of the foot 5 times. Lift from poplite fossa to the whole calf back and forth 3 times. Lift from poplite fossa to the whole thigh back and forth 3 times. Lift in small circles from calf to the poplite fossa in lines back and forth 3 times. Move in small circles from poplite fossa to thigh root in lines back and forth 3 times. Move in circles with the probe. Caress in circles from calf to thigh in sector 3 times. Please skip the poplite fossa. Operate the other side of the leg. Have the customer lie down on the bed. Bend the leg. Apply RF gel evenly on the leg. Caress 3 times. Slide the probe from thigh in line back and forth on the whole leg 3 times. Slide the probe from knee to thigh root in lines back and forth 3 times. Slide from knee to calf to instep back and forth 5 times. Operate the other side of the leg. Wipe the legs with towel. Take out electrode pad, wipe it and the probe with normal saline for next use. Do not use alcohol.